We are here at the Hangar Airbnb, made up of 7 shipping containers, which might just be the largest shipping container home out there. Let's go check it out. So when you first arrive, you drive down your own private gravel driveway and walk up to this beautiful Airbnb. It has the contrasting cedar with the sleek black outside, and it looks beautiful. Something really neat about this Airbnb is that it is actually wheelchair accessible. So if you have a family member that's in a wheelchair or is disabled, they can get to everything in this home on the bottom floor, which is awesome. So let's go inside. When you first come through the front door, you see this beautiful modern staircase that has metal and wire finishes, and it leads you right into this open concept living space. Off to this side is the kitchen. You've got a full bar area with 4 stools, so anyone who wants to eat a meal over here definitely can. This is the incredible kitchen with beautiful finishes, including this waterfall countertop that goes all the way to the floor. These wooden cabinets that include a hidden dishwasher, which is so cool. All of the appliances are stainless steel and brand new. Even their sink is stainless steel with this really cool magnetic sprayer. The fridge is a double door fridge that opens up with plenty of space inside to store your food for your delicious meals, and they even provide a couple of goodies. And then in this corner, they have beautiful floating shelves with really pretty dishes on it, as well as a sign that says Huga and the definition, which is so neat and a perfect touch for this space. In this basket, we have popcorn, hot chocolate, and even some BoxHop brew. So they have their own coffee beans, which is really neat, and I have to say delicious because I've already had 2 cups. So of course they have appliances to make your coffee. And then over here is the stovetop oven combo with a gas stovetop. And then they've got these beautiful upper cabinets that open with ease and contain lots of beautiful plates and dishes. And last but not least, they have a microwave. The great thing about this kitchen is all of these cabinets and drawers contain plenty of appliances and utensils, so you are fully stocked and loaded to cook a delicious meal. So moving this way, we have our huge dining room table that can seat 10 people, so you can bring all of your friends and family members. Off to the side is a cabinet that contains a couple of games and really pretty decorations. This way is a super comfortable chair right next to the very unique, very cool floating fireplace. That puts off plenty of heat to keep you nice and warm in the cold months. This way is the living space with a huge L couch to fit all the people that stay here. They do have a projector that comes to and pull down screens so you can watch lots of movies and have plenty of entertainment while you're here. Moving this way, we're coming to the only bedroom on the first floor. It's this nice cozy little room with a queen bed decorated beautifully. They've got a dresser so you can store your stuff while you're here, and then they have a porch that is private access from this room, so you can enjoy the nature while you're here. They also have a little screen so you can leave it open without having all the buggies inside. Right here they have an antique piano, which is such a beautiful touch to this space, and it does work. In here is the downstairs restroom that has some really unique finishes, like this beautiful backsplash, ceramic sink, and this cool marble light I have never seen before. It's just so unique and so pretty. The shower has a gorgeous stucco finish and a waterfall shower head, so it is pretty luxurious in here, and I am loving it. They've got plenty of extra towels in here, and they even have an assist bar for anybody who's disabled that stays here. Now we're gonna move upstairs to the rest of the 4 bedrooms. And before you get upstairs, you can stop off at this little closet that actually has a washer and dryer, so you can wash your clothes if you have an extended stay here. So when you get to the top of the stairs, all of these doors open up to the 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom that's up here. I love this display color that they have up here. It is so pretty. And now we're gonna move into the first bedroom up here. The great thing about these bedrooms is though they're in shipping containers, they feel very spacious. They've got a comfortable double bed for you and your own private access to a porch to enjoy the nature. The nice thing about these rooms is back this way.
Getting really close.
You have your own little closet area so you can store your suitcase, clothes, and then they've got some extra towels for you. This is a locked owner's closet, but around this corner is bedroom number 2. Again, a beautiful, spacious bedroom, and each of these bedrooms have their own unique look and decoration, and my favorite one is this one because it has this really cool wood slat accent right above the bed, and then again, a deck for enjoying outside. This one also has a closet. Moving into the third bedroom. Off to the side is the closet again, and then it opens up into the beautiful bedroom. And then this is the last one that has its own private deck. Back this way is the bathroom and final bedroom. So this is the upstairs bathroom for all 4 bedrooms. It's got a beautiful, spacious rainfall shower with, again, super unique tile that I love. They also have this really cool wavy black tile that continues all the way around the bathroom. Organic mirror, beautiful sink, just really pretty finishes in here. And then this is the final bedroom with, again, storage off to the side. And it opens up into gorgeous windows and views. It's got this super unique window design, and you can see out, and it has so much light flooding in. I love it. And now I'm gonna hand it over to Hayden, who's gonna show you some really awesome amenities outside.
Out on the porch here, you've got a ton of space with a lot of really cool amenities. To my right, you've got a really large gas grill, plenty of room to cook for everybody that stays here. And then to my left is one of my favorite areas. They've got these really neat wooden chairs around another floating fireplace. These floating fireplaces are the coolest thing about this Airbnb to me. They're just so neat, they look cool, and they really do work. Out here to my right, you've got a beautiful, comfy sitting area. Plenty of space for everybody to gather around, hang out, maybe eat out here, play some games. But in here is probably what's gonna be a lot of people's favorites. You've got the massive hot tub. You've got lots of seating area here. And then back behind me, they have a real working sauna. So this is like the ultimate relaxation space here at the Hygge. We are blown away with the owners and their vision to bring this place to life. We're so excited to be staying here tonight. That's messy. Oh, that is so funny.
A little hot water everywhere.
Every time I drink hot chocolate from here on out, I'm always gonna think of Mount Leconte.
Yes.
Because we drank so much hot chocolate.
So many cups of
And
hot
it was
chocolate.
honestly not good, but it was so good then because it was so cold. We were freezing our butts off, and
That's all we wanted.
that's all we had. It would warm us up.
So cool. So relaxing and romantic.
Yeah, you like it? If you're a host with an amazing amazing and unique short-term rental or Airbnb, and you would like us to feature it, you can reach us at journeymore.com. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel, that way you don't miss out on any new videos, and then like this video as it does help us for our videos to perform better. But for now, come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time. Okay, should we do the steamy thing?
Yes. It's super easy to...
Maybe not that one.
Maybe not that one.